Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect funding pips to cTrader. So first of all, you need to come here on fundingpips.com. You can also use the link that is given in the description if you want to get 20% discount on the platform. So over here on this particular page, you need to scroll down a bit. Then among the given plans over here, you need to simply select the plan that you want to purchase. After selecting it, simply click on the option of buy challenge. Now over here, when you scroll down a bit, you need to look for this particular option that says trading platform. Now over here, you need to simply select the option of cTrader. Now if you select the option of cTrader, the $20 is going to be added here. So you need to make sure. Then click on the option of buy now and conclude your payment. So this way you are going to get your account, which is going to look something like this inside your funding pips dashboard. So over here, you will be shown the option of cTrader here on the top. Then when you click on the option of the credentials, you are going to see your cTrader login details. So you need to get those, then open a new tab, or you can also basically launch the cTrader mobile application. So when you are here, simply hover over to the login, then click on the option of login. Now over here, simply provide those login credentials that you have received inside your funding pips account. It includes the cTrader ID and the password. After providing these details, simply click on the option of login and you will be able to basically log in into your cTrader account via funding pips. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.